Today's a big day. First of all, my friends over at Monster hooked me up with some new gear. And second, I'm on my way to Albuquerque, New Mexico to see where Walter White was cooking it up. Let's see if we can find that spot. Holy cow, there's something gnarly going on the other side of the freeway right now. Dang. We've got a truck that flipped right here. That's how they did it in the middle of the road. On a straight road, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm getting blocked. I'm getting blocked. Look at that though. Holy cow. Well, there's a chance we might have gotten too risky today, everybody. A little bit worried. Got 12 miles until a gas station and the bar is pretty much at E. Got a little too risky. The gas is way cheaper up ahead. I'm freaking out, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. If I don't, I'm literally gonna have to walk a half marathon or hitchhike all the way to the gas station and back. This is a disaster. Bad idea on my part. Okay, getting off, still a mile and a half, still below E right now. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna coast this downhill right here. Just gonna coast it. I know we are actually probably about out of gas right now. Coming in hot. Oh, that's not an entrance. Heads up, everybody, coming in hot. Holy cow, get me up to that thing. Yeah. 86. That was so much more intense than it needed to be. Remind me to never do that again. I deserved full-heartedly to run out of gas right there. I took too big of a gamble. That was ridiculous. Like, I can't believe I made it. I don't know how much farther below E you can go in a Miata, but I was literally below E. Okay, we're still about 45 miles from where I want to go to Old Town, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Pretty cool old town. We're gonna go check it out before making our way out to the Walter White area. This seems interesting. Flea market, guns, ammo, jewelry. How's it going? I was just cruising through. I saw this look like a cool building. Figured I'd check it out. Whoa.
See the size of
wow.
Not the same size around?
We are now in the old town of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Things have changed. Like, look at this architecture. Sun is shining, it's toasty. But let me show you what this old town's all about. That's so sick.
Trying to get used to this one. I mean, like, it won't even let me go back. Okay.
Goodness, yeah, no, tech's always changing every day. I don't blame you. I just talked to one of the locals. Apparently, every single Sunday, they got those old car meets in downtown. That is so rad. Honestly, Albuquerque, car scene, I wish I was here for longer because the sun's going down. It's about 4 p.m. Sun's going down at 6, and I still gotta get to that site. We are on our way out to the famous Walter White crashed RV site right now. I've got the pin going there. The sun goes down in 45 minutes. It's gonna take 35 to get there. So we're absolutely pushing it, but I've got faith. I think we can make this happen. We're really racing the clock right now. The sun, you can see it starting to dip down between the mountains right here. Losing some light, but I should be there in just 10 minutes flat. So let's see if this spot holds out. Let's see if the pin's legit. I want to see that area though. I want to see that famous RV desert spot. We're out here on some Native American land, and yeah, so it's gonna be probably dirt roads and everything like that, but definitely gonna be plenty respectful. Yep, just like that. We are back on the dirt, and look at how smooth the dirt is. It's kind of beautiful. Tell you what, it is kind of crazy how familiar these old roads look right here. We are bumping away, but I think we could be there very soon around this corner. This is it. That right there is literally where Walter White crashed his RV. This is literally where the fire truck went down. And Walt's just sitting there like this, just waiting. And he takes the gun, puts it right behind his back and watches the fire trucks go by. goodness, this area is so beautiful. It is wild to be sitting right here. To see things in a movie and then be there in person is such a weird feeling, especially because this area is so gorgeous. It's so quiet. I'm not seeing anyone out here. I saw houses on the way in, but I'm sure there's not too many further out here, but it's gorgeous, it's tranquil, and I'm stoked to be here. Let me show you, the sun is setting. Just gorgeous right now. It's getting dark here. About time for me to hit the road. Off on the rocky road once again. Beautiful, look at that moon too. Oh, big bump, heads up. Man, you can't even make this up. It's just that beautiful, you know? Well, that was pretty cool. The sun's going down, and I've got my dinner. Spicy tuna rolls from Walmart. They're like $5, which is kind of scary, but they look pretty tasty. Anyways, pretty cool environment behind me. I'll be traveling for at least another hour and a half, 2 hours tonight, trying to get far west to a campsite in eastern New Mexico. Today was a pretty sweet day. I'm so happy with the way it turned out, all the ups and the downs and everything like that. It was pretty cool. But I just want to say thank you very much to everyone who supported me along the way. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. If anything happens, I'll check in. If not, let's go ahead and chat at the campsite. Uh-oh, might be a little tough for me. Heck yeah, we freaking made it, dudes. Let's go home. Oh, cattle grade. Ooh. There we go. Really off-roading this old Miata. Alrighty, mates. Been a good day. Oh, I still got my earplugs in. Gotta take those out. Things sound a little weird. But, okay. Got our campsite. You're in this nice little pasture. The actual road was blocked here anyways. That's not ideal. The moon is beautifully bright tonight. This area, very calm. The desert's just so calm. So easy to camp in. So just... it's not damp, it's a dry area, 70s in the day, 50s at night. I'm pretty stoked. Let me show you this moon right now and just how beautifully bright it is. Thanks again for sticking along. Really appreciate everyone who took the chance to watch all the way through. And for all those who subscribed, y'all mean the dang world to me. So without further ado, peace, y'all. Keep it mellow.